Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of cinema and explore the magic that makes our favorite films unforgettable. Today, we're going to take a closer look at a fascinating topic that combines the art of storytelling with the thrill of technology, mechanical keyboards, and their role in creating stunning cinematic experiences. Imagine this: you're sitting in a darkened theater, the screen flickers to life, and you're immediately transported into a world of breathtaking visuals and stirring adventures. The sound of a mechanical keyboard clicks away in the background, crafting the very essence of the film you're about to experience. These keyboards, known for their tactile feedback and satisfying sound, have become a favorite among gamers and creators alike. But their influence stretches far beyond the gaming world. Mechanical keyboards are not just tools. They are instruments of creativity. The precision and responsiveness they offer allow filmmakers and sound designers to bring their visions to life. Whether it's the delicate tapping of keys that creates an immersive soundscape or the rapid-fire clicks that sync perfectly with action-packed sequences, these keyboards play a crucial role in the filmmaking process. They help to weave together the stunning visuals and timeless stories that keep us on the edge of our seats. Think about your favorite cinematic masterpieces. What makes them resonate with you? It's often the combination of a compelling narrative, breathtaking visuals, and an emotional score that pulls at your heartstrings. Mechanical keyboards contribute to this magic by enabling creators to experiment with sound and effects in ways that enhance the overall experience. The result? A film that captivates and inspires, leaving a lasting impression long after the credits roll. As we explore the intersection of technology and storytelling, it's essential to appreciate the craftsmanship behind both mechanical keyboards and the films they help create. Each keystroke is a step in a creative journey, a journey that transforms ideas into visual poetry. The next time you find yourself immersed in a film, take a moment to consider the intricate processes that brought it to life. You might just find a new appreciation for the art of filmmaking and the tools that make it possible. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of mechanical keyboards and their impact on cinema. We hope you found this journey as fascinating as we did. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the world of movies and TV. Until next time, keep celebrating the magic of storytelling.